All right, Rock Auto came. Got inner and outer tie rods. Let's open this bad boy up. Mevotech or Mevtech. Yeah, this should be fine. Come on. Which way do they open? From the end, of course. There we go. Cool. Yeah. Can't wait. Over the winter ended up slamming into a curb. Might have been a little sideways, but it's been out of alignment ever since. Got a little bit of a shake on the highway, and time to get that taken care of and get it aligned. I'm gonna get new tires. And ordered some Combs. Yeah, can't remember. I will link them down below though. There's some all-terrain, I forget what exact it is, but I'll look it up, I'll let you know. And it's early morning, it's nice and cool here. I'm gonna try and beat the sun. There's not a cloud in the sky. So I think by noon it's going to be 80 plus degrees, so hopefully I get that taken care of beforehand. So yeah, I'll bring you along and hopefully everything goes smooth. Trying to keep you guys in the shade here because my phone doesn't like the heat. Let's come over to this side. All right. That's a good picture. Let's get some penetrating fluid on here. I'm not very good at waiting for letting this soak in, so I'm just gonna hop right to it. Try and break this loose a little bit, back off. Oh. Of course I slipped right back into the truck, but it's just able to be turned now, so good deal. Noise. All right. She is used and abused. It's funny. Hopefully, I can use my big pliers and get that off, because my O'Reilly's tool did not come with a 1 3/4 inch. For some reason. There we go. Super easy to move. Okay. That's all good. Here is the new one. It's a MEVTech or Mevotech. They seem decent enough. Everyone online likes them, so many comparisons between them and Moog. So thought I'd give her a shot. Get the hand tight. There we go. Just hand tight. And I'm going to torque her on there to 90 pounds. That seems to be the consensus. Using the 42 adapter and the inner tie rod tool from O'Reilly's. The new one fits. The old one was, yeah, 1 3/4 inches, so it's just bigger than this. Let's get back over here a little bit so I can have some room. Say hi to my chrome. These are greasable, so I just got to put in the little Zerk fitting. I never know if you're supposed to, if there's enough room to get it down all the way or not. So maybe if you know, you can just tell me. I appreciate any comments. It doesn't really feel like it bottoms out so much. Tighten that a little bit. Sure. It's on there. Alright. Use the new nut. I am going to I'll have to put the new boot on. Or not the new boot. Use the old boot. And I'm going to use a nice stainless zip tie formed on here and started. Clicked onto where that's supposed to go. Now I just gotta pull that tight. Easier for my fender. Alright, just gotta clip off the excess little wire. My hands are super greasy. Not hit my head this time. All right, perfect. Cool. Let's get some anti-seize on here. Just to protect those threads. I know it sucks when you get it all over you, but I hate rust more, so. Vice grip Irwin. There we go. These things are great. Little push button. Alright, let's get that on there. There we go. On there good. Let me put a little grease on that. Just to help stop from rusting anymore. Anything to do to a little preventative, you know. Put the new shiny bolt on. I did not do that on the other side. I used the old one. Probably plenty enough. I gotta look at my note. I'm pretty sure I said 28.5 turns. Yes. All right. I did say 28.5 turns. Oh, I could go 29. The first half was sort of like a quarter. I don't know if I should go one more or not. I'll leave it there. I'm getting it aligned anyway. I'll get it right there. Push this up a little. Started. It's right here. Right here. All right. I'm going to torque this to 50 pounds. That'll be good enough. It might have been, it was around that. So we'll get that torqued and that'll be it.